Hey guys, welcome to this course. Now we as architects and designers use an array of CAD tools in order to turn our designs from thoughts into things. Now we use these tools to create elegant and functional spaces which are works of art on their own. Now with various parametric tools also coming into the picture, an architect is easily able to establish parameters and constraints on dynamic geometries to seamlessly produce convoluted designs. Now the question arises as to whether the credit should go to the architect or to the programmer who scripted the tool which contains the algorithms embedded in its code. To solve this dilemma, it would just make more sense if the architects themselves had the liberty of creating the tools required to design their own building spaces. Besides, a lot of the design tools out there now are open source and come with their respective APIs, which is short for Application Programming Interfaces, and SDKs, which is short for Software Development Kits, and that is an advantage that should be utilized. Now let's look at the top 5 reasons why an architect or a designer should learn coding. Reason number 1. Coding helps you expand your design capacity. Coding helps you explore new architectural forms and investigate how architecture can evolve and adapt to the ever-changing. Usually, design tools use various complex automation routine algorithms which many architects fail to understand. Hence, their usage of the tool is limited and their overall efficiency is reduced. If they know exactly what these algorithms represent and how they influence the outcome of a geometry, they can make much more conscious and efficient decisions in the design process. Reason number 2. To be capable of truly claiming ownership of the entire design process. Coding knowledge gives the architect complete control over the whole form generation process, as the architect would know exactly what to expect out of the tool and so tailors it to their specific needs. The tool becomes unique to the architect's style and screams originality on a whole new level. Reason number 3. To gain an advantage over your competitors. Coding is a skill, and after all, could potentially give the architect an upper hand over the competition. Acquiring and proficiently practicing scripting as a part of the design process might throw light on various details that other designers might overlook, and so giving you the winning edge. Reason number 4. To break into the technical aspects of algorithmic thinking. A designer is encouraged to analyze the problem at hand and solve it in a step-by-step process, in contrast to what he typically does, intuitively or creatively approach the problem, which is very subjective, sort of like solving a math problem with a known set of formula and solutions, in contrary to writing a subjective essay in English. Reason number 5. To get more work done while putting in the least effort. Architects who have coding skills get to be more efficient. They can script a function onto a software to accomplish a job that would normally require multiple steps and a lengthy duration within a matter of seconds. Now that we have discussed the various advantages of learning programming languages, let's take a look at the softwares that actually offer us a scripting platform. Let's do that in the next video.